Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration, and this is for our limited edition Valentine's card kit. It is full of a bunch of fun things that you'll find to make some Valentine's cards. And I'll start you off with our 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Be My Valentine. It has very vintage type images along with a really super cute solid cupid and these gorgeous roses and great messages to combine together. We've also included an exclusive 3x3 heart stencil, and it's really fun and dainty, and it's great to use with pastes and inks. We've also included a palette knife and a jar of Decofoil Metallics gel, and that is in copper. So that is a really great paste that you can put through that stencil. You'll also receive a sheet of the Simon Says Stamp sentiment strips called Cheeky Love, and those are in the black with the white writing, and they're really funny types of messages. Another item you'll receive is an exclusive Heart Rose stamp, and this is also by Simon Says Stamp. It is a 3x3 cling red rubber stamp. The papers this month come from Simple Stories, and these are from their My Valentine collection. These are 6x8" sheets. They are double-sided and have a very nice vintage feel to them. All of these colors coordinate with each other with all these prints, and they remind me of my grandmother's old Valentines. It has such a great feel. Being that they are 6x8", you can pretty much get two backgrounds out of each sheet. The colors are muted, and there is just quite an assortment of patterns and also some cards that you can cut up to make those little mini Valentines from what you remember from school. And you will get a total of 12 sheets. Valentines wouldn't be the same without candy bags, so we are giving you 10 of these white bags. These are by Doris. And they are perfect to stamp on or add some embellishments and ephemera and fill with candy. Speaking of ephemera, we also have the Simple Stories My Valentine ephemera bits and pieces packed, and this is full of roses and envelopes and messages and really lots of fun things that you can put together. I love how the colors coordinate with all of the pattern papers. To go with your Heart Rose 3x3 cling stamp, we've also included a Simon Says Stamp 3x4" block, and it has that grid, and also a chili bean soup heart window to go along with some sequins. These sequins are gorgeous. They have really light pink, a nice pale beige, some gold, and also red in the pack. We have 6 envelopes for you in this kit, and these are 3 each of the Simon Says Stamp mini envelopes in clear and also Schoolhouse Red. You'll also receive 6 cardstocks in Surf Blue, 3 of the cream, 1 cotton candy, and then finally 1 Schoolhouse Red. And I have some inspiration for you. I've used that stencil in the background with a really pale pink. I've also watercolored that Heart Rose and then surrounded it with some of those bits and pieces from the Simple Stories My Valentine pack. This next piece is a mini Valentine, and I've just cut my paper about 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches so that it would fit into one of those clear envelopes. And I've just used the ephemera pack, roses, and also stamped my message in pink. And finally, this last inspiration is using one of the candy bags. I have die cut a heart out of some of the pattern paper and then used the ephemera layered on top of the heart for a nice presentation. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our limited edition Valentine's card kit. And as a reminder, it is a limited edition card kit separate from our regular card kits and is only available while supplies last. And be sure to check our blog post and also our galleries for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.